Hi, good day, learners. This is your teacher, Sir Mulan, and welcome to another video tutorial on quadratic equations. On our previous videos, first we solve the roots of a quadratic equation by extracting the roots. Second video followed by solving the roots of the quadratic equation using the method of yung completing the square. And by factoring, and we derived the quadratic formula, and we did solve for the roots of quadratic equation using yung calculator technique natin. What if you were given the roots and you were asked to determine the quadratic equation given the roots? So, yes, we can do that. However, bago tayo mag-proceed sa dyan, we must understand kung ano yung Vieta's formula. Because we'll be using Vieta's formula when we are going to determine um, the quadratic equation if we are given roots R1 or R2 or yung first value of X and second value of X. So ano yung Vieta's formula? So Vieta's formula. Ang Vieta's formula, it establish a direct relationship, a direct relationship between the coefficients of a quadratic equation, and the sum and product of its roots. Roots ni quadratic equation. Remember, yung standard quadratic equation natin is given by ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. And dun sa pag-derive natin ng standard ng quadratic formula, remember, we divide this by everything by a. Kailangan kasi yung value or the leading coefficient, the constant of the leading coefficient should be equals to 1. Kaya we divided everything by a. So rewriting this, we have x squared plus b over a x plus c over a is equals to 0 divided by a, still 0. Ngayon, ano naman yung sinasabing direct relationship between ng coefficients, yung A, B, and C, sa sum and product of the roots of the given quadratic equation? Sabi ni Vieta that the sum of the roots R1 plus R2 is equivalent to negative B over A. So meaning para lang siyang ito, kaso lang negative, pwede natin siyang i-modify this equation in such a way na magiging positive yung right side of the equal sign. We simply multiply both sides by negative 1. Tara. Pero yung Vieta formula, ito yung sinasabi. We're going to prove it later. So if we multiply R1 plus R2 by both sides by negative 1. So notice may lang siyang negative R1 plus R2 is equals to negative times negative. So that would be positive B over A. Kaya This, a given, ano na to, we can replace it by um, x squared plus yung negative value niya, which is positive CBA, would be R1 plus R2 x plus C over A is equals to 0. And ito pala yung sum of the roots. And yung product naman ng roots is equivalent to R1 times R2 is equals to C over A. Kaya if we're going to replace C over A, pwede siya. So rewrite na natin. So positive times negative, we have x squared minus R1 plus R2 x plus yung product ng roots is equals to 0. So you might be wondering, saan po nanggaling itong negative b over a and c over a na to? So we're going to prove it. So tandaan, ito yung vieta sa formula. And other variation ito is or x minus r1, the quantity of x minus r1 times the quantity of x minus r2 is equals to 0. So bale, we just factor the left side of the equal sign ng equation na to, kaya na-obtain natin itong equation na to, which we are going to prove later. All right, our first goal is prove natin to, negative b over a, if we add the roots R1 and R2. Remember, yung quadratic formula natin na x is equals to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, which nahati sa dalawa. Yung x of 1 is equals to negative b plus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And yung x of 2 naman is negative b minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And notice na x of 1 is our first root and x of 2 is our second root. So we can say that this is our r1 and this is our r2 or root, the second root. Sabi doon, if we add R1 plus R2, ma-obtain natin si negative B over A. So let's replace, add this. So yung first value ni R1, which is negative B plus the square root of B squared minus 4AC all over 2A. Yan yung R1 na. Plus value ni R2, which is negative B minus square root of B squared minus 4AC all over 2A. Notice that we have similar fraction. When we say similar fraction, we have fractions with the same denominator. So copy lang natin we can add the numerators directly. So numerator ni R1, negative B plus square root of B squared minus 4AC plus yung numerator ni R2, B squared minus 4AC. And pwede nating i-copy lang yung denominator. That's 2a. Next step, we're going to distribute yung plus sign. Positive times negative, negative. Positive times negative, still negative. Notice na wala akong shortcut na ginagawa para mas maintindihan. So that would be negative b plus square root of b squared minus 4ac. Ito na yon, positive times negative. So negative b, positive times negative, negative square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. A. Notice na merong magka-cancel, like terms. Ito, si positive square root of b squared minus 4ac, then minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. Kaya yung matitira is, dito na lang, negative b minus b all over 2a. And simplifying that, negative b minus b, so they are like terms, we can combine the coefficients algebraically. So parang negative 1 minus 1, negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2b all over 2a. And notice na magka-cancel to. So meron tayong negative times b. Kaya ito will be equivalent to R1 plus R2 is equals to negative b over a. Yun, we have proved it. Okay? Next, yung ipoprove naman natin is ito, this one. R1 times R2 is equals to C over A. Then after nating ma-prove yan, ito naman, itong dalawang to. Okay. Okay, so sana malinaw kung how we arrive at a negative b over a when we add R1 and R2. Okay, and for our second derivation, if we multiply R1 by R2, para lang siyang negative b plus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, i-multiply natin siya sa value ni R2, which is negative b minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And sa fractions, we simply multiply the numerators and the denominators. So multiply natin numerators. Negative b plus the square root of b squared minus 4ac to be multiplied by the numerator of R2, which is negative b minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, and multiply natin yung denominators, which is 2a times 2a. So sa numerator, we can perform FOIL method. So R1 times R2 is equals to negative b times negative b times negative b, then negative b times negative square root of b squared. So negative times negative, magiging positive. B square root of b squared minus 4ac. Ito yung product ni first terms. Ito, first terms. Ito yung product ni outer terms. Then kay inner terms naman tayo. So that would be positive times negative b. So positive times negative, that would be negative b square root of b squared minus 4ac. And ito yung product ni inner terms. Sama natin yung sign. Yung product ni inner terms. And lastly, product ni last term, which is ito, positive square root of b squared minus 4ac times negative square root of b squared minus 4ac. So positive times negative, that would be negative square root of b squared minus 4ac times square root of b squared minus 4ac all over yung product ni denominator. 2 times 2 is 4. A times A is A squared. And siya nga pala, ito yung product ni last terms. Yung portion na yan. Kaya, FOIL method. Now, let's simplify yung numerator. So, negative b times negative b, that would be b squared. Negative times negative, positive. And notice that the product of The outer terms and the inner terms, magka-cancel lang sila. Yun, cancel lang yan. So we are left with minus and square no product ng last term. That would be and naka-square siya all over 4a squared. Notice na yung sa numerator, si exponent nito at si radical symbol ay magka-cancel. That's why we can simplify this as b squared minus the quantity of b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. Next step is we're going to distribute yung negative sa loob. Kaya, ang lalabas, R1 times R2 is equals to B squared. Negative times positive B squared, magiging negative B squared. Negative times negative 4AC, magiging positive 4AC all over 4A squared. And pansinin that these two will cancel. B squared minus B squared. Cancel siya. So, matitira na lang is 4AC all over 4A squared. Notice na magka-cancel si 4, at magka-cancel si A, saka si squared. Kaya, ang matitira na lang is R1 times R2 is equals to C over A. Alright, so sana malinaw. Kaya nga sa'yo kanina, si ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. We divide everything by a. Cancel yan. Kaya natira si x squared plus b over ax plus c over a. And we have done earlier na si R1 plus R2 is equals to negative B over A. And since positive 2, we multiply both sides by negative 1. Kaya nangyari, naging positive. Let's move this to the left side. So making positive B over A is equals to negative. Huwag na natin sulat si 1. Okay lang yan. And that would be x squared minus the quantity of R1 plus R2 x and si C over A naman o si product ni R1 and ni R2 is equals to C over A and ito 0 to, so we can replace this by R1 and R2 is equals to 0, and that is the Vieta's formula. And what we're going to do next na from this equation ma-obtain natin si x minus R1 times the quantity of x minus R2 is equals to 0. We simply factor this papunta dito. So this will be our um, third derivation. So prove natin. Alright, so dito tayo sa ano. Vieta's formula, x squared minus the quantity of R1 plus R2 x plus R1 and R2 is equals to 0. And we're going to prove it using um, yung mga bagay na we already know. So first thing is um, PEMDAS or GEMDAS. First, distribute muna natin to sa loob. So we have x squared minus x R1 plus X R2 plus R1 R2 is equals to 0. And next step is distribute natin si negative to every term sa loob ng parentheses. So, ang mangyayari is x squared, negative times positive, so magiging negative, x R1, negative times positive, still negative, R2 plus R1, R2 is equals to 0. Then, we're going to perform factoring by grouping. So, ano yung common sa kanila at common sa kanila? So, let's deal first with first group. So, ang common sa first group is x. Factor out natin si x. So, x squared, that is, x is the common monomial factor of the first group. So, original term, x squared divided by the common monomial factor, which is x. So, x squared, lagyan natin dito as scratch. X squared divided by x, cancel si x, cancel si 2, matitira si x minus si original, x R1 divided by x, cancel si x, matitira si R1. Copy lang natin. X minus R1. Anong common sa kanilang dalawa? R2. R2. So, ano yung sign ni R2? Is it positive or negative? Let's check. If we multiply R2 by x, it should be negative R2. Since positive sila pareho, hindi pwedeng positive si R2. It should be negative. To double check, negative R2 times negative R1, so negative times negative, positive. Kaya tama to. Then, we can still factor this further. Yung common sa mga to is yung naka-parenthesis, which is x minus R1. Factor out natin. X minus R1. And we are left with x. Then, yung negative R2 is equals to 0. So, I do hope naintindihan kung saan nanggaling to. So, if we are given roots and we are tasked to determine the quadratic equation, we can use either ito or ito. Lalo na pagka mga given na roots ay yung may radical symbol, may imaginary, yun. So I do hope you were able to learn something today. So good day and God bless, and see you on my next video. And we are going to apply every formula na dinerive natin dito, particularly these two formula. On my next video, we're going to determine the quadratic equation given the roots. Okay, so good day and God bless. See you on my next video.